get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So by the title and the thumbnail, you guys could see we got a daily on the channel now. So it's 2011 Nissan Altima, just a daily. Got the Q50 over there, that's for another day. I'm gonna explain what happened to that. But with this, we're gonna change some spark plugs because it has a misfire in cylinder 3. So first you're gonna need a 14 with an extension, and make sure the socket is long. And you're gonna need a Allen key to like pull this cover off, but I already took the screws out already, so I'm gonna rest it right here. And I got this, my magnet for taking up the spark plugs. So first, when you take the cover off, you're gonna need a 10mm socket to pull these so you could get to the spark plugs. So I'm gonna do that and then get back to you guys. So I take the 10 screws out, put them right here so you won't lose them. Take the coil pack, I'm gonna rest it right there. Make sure you all unplug them like that, and it's easy, guys. So I'm gonna unplug them real quick and then pick up at the camera. Only got like 2 leave. Okay guys, so all of them is out now, so it's time to take the spark plugs out. So we're just gonna change all of them, but I only had like cylinder 3 misfire, but I'm gonna change all of them just in case. So let me take them out real quick. Remember, I'm using 14. So let's see, 14 with an extension, and take your time, guys. So I'm gonna take all of them out. Fucking mosquito. And don't over tighten them, but right now I'm just pulling them out. So I'm gonna take them out and then show you how they look. Okay guys, so I took them out, so there they are. I think these 3 is good, but this one, I don't think this one is good. But all of them looks kind of new, but this one look way burnt up. So probably I'm gonna keep these 3 and throw away this one and throw away this one. But got the new ones in that. So let's get it. Okay, so I just put in the first one. So now I'm gonna put in the second one. And these, you could get these off Amazon or eBay. I got these off Amazon. Just some regular spark plugs. It don't really matter. See, comes with the tip right there. So I'm gonna do the second one, so you could just drop it like this. See, it's sitting straight. So now I'm gonna use my hands and tighten it first with this, the socket. So you gotta untighten it first before you use the socket. And you don't wanna tighten it too much. So when your hands can't tighten it no more, use the socket. But not too much. So I only have like 2 more leave, then I'm gonna put back the ignition coils. So yeah guys, I'm gonna do that, and when I'm putting back everything, I'll just show you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, they are in now. Time to put back the coil packs. Remember, you got your 10s right there, so don't lose them. So time to put it back. So let's see, I'm gonna switch over probably one of them to see. So we're gonna put that one for cylinder 3 at 1, and we're gonna see. So I'm gonna put back all of them, and when I'm tightening the back, I'll just pick up back the camera. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all watch the full video, man.